diamond ring for my queen. You gon' wait me till Jesus come. Why when I talk? Pocket full floss, money, honey. Forget about Suzanne. So since we don't have all the equipment like cameras and all this stuff, so just use one of the webcam from my computer. So we're gonna start with these tools and give people knowledge, because that's how they say, start with what you have, and then from there you're gonna elevate it. You're gonna elevate it, and things gonna propagate it, and excuse me, and things gonna improve slowly, because you can't reach down top before top player.
There was a time when immortality seemed the way to enchantment and happiness.
Alright, so we live again. So we're gonna start to solve a series of questions. So Hamish again. So let's start solving this question, man. So it's part of one of the program giving back to the community and give back to the people, especially for the community that from disadvantaged community. So we have a question right here. Say integral of x squared to x cubed plus 5 and the square. So this is integration by substitution. How are you gonna know that this is integration by substitution? Because look, 2x cubed plus 5 means if I'm gonna differentiate this x cubed, like look, it's x cubed. If I'm gonna differentiate, it's gonna give me 3x squared. So means it's gonna give me something which look like the one on top. So for that case now, I'm gonna have to let this term, which when the differentiate give me the one on top, I say let u equal to 2x cubed plus 5. Let's say plus 5. 2x cubed plus 5. Excuse me. I think you cannot see there. So let me write a little bit under. So we let, let's say u equal to 2x cubed plus 5. And then we're going to differentiate this term. When you differentiate here, it's going to give us du, and here it's going to give us 6, because 3 come back, 3 times 2 equals 6, and then we have an x, 3 minus 1 equal to 3 minus 1 equals 2. And they say dx, because this side you differentiate x, this side you differentiate u, you get the u. So next step, look, so the one on top here shows me. See this term here? It's same as this one. So that means we don't need 6. So divided by 6, this and this go. So du over 6 equal to this term. So if I had to replace this term here, I'm going to say du over 6. So let's replace now. That's what we call by substitution. So we're going to say integral. Let's substitute now. Check this out, which is this one. It's going to give us du over 6. So we say du over 6. And then now at the denominator, so we say 1 over 2x cubed plus 5. What is 2x cubed plus 5 equal to? U. So we're going to say u. But square, because we have a square there. So the question is almost finished. We're going to take this 6 out. So this is going to be equal to 1 over 6, because that's a constant number. And then integral 1 over u square du. So the next step, reciprocate means take it to the top. So take it to the top meaning we're going to have a 1 over 6. And then this is going to go to the top. So we still have an integral, and then u negative 2d du. Next step, the question is finished, because I'm going to add 1 at the numerator and denominator, and the integral is gonna go away, means it's finished. So we say, okay, we have a 1 over 6. Now let's integrate. So when you integrate means whenever you have a, let's say for example, integral for y power square dy means if you have a variable with a power, means you're gonna say y add by 1 is gonna be 3, and then the same thing right to the denominator 3, and then plus constant. So we're gonna go we're gonna do the same approach here. How are we gonna do that? We're gonna say, okay, so plus 1 is gonna be u. Negative 2 plus 1 equal to negative 1 over, you write the same thing in the denominator, and then you constant. And then after that, we're gonna reciprocate. So this time we say, take negative out, so negative 1 over 6, and then this is gonna come at the bottom, so it's gonna be 1 over u power 1, so I don't have to bother with 1 plus c. So the question is finished already. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna sub back. The value of u we know is 2x cubed plus 5. So this one we know the value. So negative 1 times 1 equal to negative 1 over 6. And then u, we know the value. What is the value of u? 2x cubed plus 5. So this is going to be bracket 2x cubed plus 5. And then plus c. And this is the end of the equation. Or you can just put this line longer a little bit. So that's how you integrate this equation. Thank you for your time. I appreciate it. So if you're the first time on my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button.
Right, so another time again, this is, let me just show everybody so that everybody can see clearly. This is Mtwana Wabantu Academy. I'm saying, and the aim or the purpose of this program is everyone should access free, classic, quality education for all. Means, the aim